In this session, I'm going to talk about how to divide polynomial expressions using long division. Look at this example. 10 divided by 3. This 10 is the dividend, and then this 3 is the divisor, and 3 times 3 is 9, and 10 take away 9 is 1, and this we call quotient, and then this 1 is the remainder. So 10 divided by 3 we can write down as divisor plus remainder over quotient. This is the answer. So similarly, I can do all the polynomial expressions like this way. Look at this example. 2x to the power 3 positive 3x squared negative 5x positive 7 divided by x minus 2. So we can divide this using long division. So 2x to the power 3 positive 3x squared negative 5x positive 7 x minus 2. How many x inside 2x to the power 3 is 2x to the power 2. Now you multiply this value from the divisor. So divisor is x minus 2. So 2x to the power 3 minus 4x squared, right? So 3x to the power 2x to the power 3, 2x to the power 3, you can cancel it out. And then 3x to the power 2 minus 4x to the power 2, which is 7x to the power 2 minus 5x positive 7. And 7x squared divided by x is positive 7x. And 7x squared negative 14x. And here is 9x positive 7, and 9x divided by x is 9, and then now 9x minus 18, 9x minus 9x, you can cancel it out, and 7 minus negative 18 is 25. So we can represent this one as quotient 2x to the power 2 positive 7x positive 9 positive 25 over x minus 2. So this is the final answer. Let me show you another example. X to the power 4 minus 6x squared positive 2x negative 1 divided by x squared positive x negative 3. So feel free to pause the video and then try yourself. X to the power 4 negative 6x squared positive 2x negative 1 divided by x squared positive x negative 3. So x to the power 4 divided by x to the power 2 is x to the power 2, and x to the power 4, and x squared into x is positive x to the power 3, and then negative 3x squared. You take away the value x to the power 4 to x to the power 4, cancel it out, and here become negative 3x squared become positive 3x squared, and here become 3x squared, and then here negative x to the power 3, and then 2x negative 1. So x squared divided by negative x to the power 3, which is negative x, and then here negative x into x squared, which is negative x to the power 3, and then negative x squared positive 3x. Now negative x to the power 3 and here become negative x to the power 3, cancel it out, and here negative 3x squared, here positive x squared, this become negative 2x to the power 2, and negative 2x, negative 3x, and then negative x and negative 1. Now x squared divided by negative 2x squared, which is negative 2. Now negative 2x squared, negative 2x, and positive 6. And negative 2x squared, you can cancel it out, and this is positive 2x, and negative x is x, and negative 6, negative 1, negative 7. So the final answer would be x to the power 2, negative x, negative 2, positive x minus 7 divided by x squared, positive x, negative 3. So this is the final answer. I hope that you understood this lesson very well, and we can start from the next one. Thank you.